Hey guys, today I'm standing in our warehouse where we are storing all the lightweight stuff like insulation, dry construction and also ventilation pipes which are in the back. I want to show you something completely different, which is our manual pressing tool for mine press. Let's have a look. As I said, it's a manual pressing tool, so it needs no battery or anything else. It's operated by your force. So it comes with the plier and inlets in 16 and 20. So for the standard normal house where you are installing, you have to insert the inlet. So this is a 16 now. You have to push this little button and then you're setting it in. Now you are ready to go. First of all, of course, you have to cut your pipe. Then with our calibrator, you have to calibrate it. This is a multi-calibrator for 16, 20 and 25. So I'm using 16 now because I have a 16 pipe. It calibrates and deburrs in one step. So now it's nicely calibrated and deburred. When you set in the pipe into the fitting, just be sure that it is completely in, which is indicated by this little inspection window. To open it up, the plier, you have to open it completely like that. Then you can put it over the fitting. And then you are ready to press. Be sure that you are pressing to the complete end. And this is ensured that the pliers are locked until they are pressed completely. And now you have a perfect pressing like with our electric tool, just made by your force. Thanks a lot for your attention. Just contact me if you need something. I will be happy to assist you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.